Himalayan Sea Buckthorn Concentrate. Sea buckthorn, also known as the miracle wonder plant, is found in the pristine mountains of Ladakh. It is also known as an Indian superfruit as nature has gifted this golden orange berry with plenty of bioactive compounds along with amino acids, folic acid, tocopherols, flavonoids, and several minerals. It contains numerous essential fatty acids including omega-3, 6, and 9 and is a rich source of omega-7 fatty acid. It is also a rich source of vitamin C along with other vitamins. Several researches, done worldwide, have already proven its benefits. It is made with 99.9% sea buckthorn pulp and hence is rich in sea buckthorn fruit oil too. Benefits: boosts immune system, promotes heart health, neutralizes free radicals, nourishes skin, enriched with rare omega-7, fights constipation. If you want to buy this, visit our website niramritfoods.com and also call to Naveen Purohit.